Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to create Binance Web3 Wallet. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So this feature is not available in your desktop or website, so you need an application of Binance. So simply to create a Binance Web3 Wallet, first ensure you have the Binance app installed and you are logged in. Then simply navigate to the Binance Wallet option like your profile, which is located on the top left hand side of the corner, and hit on more services. After you have done this, simply go and tap on the wallet section. So once you're in the wallet section in the app, simply switch to the Web3 tab. You can simply either tap on create a wallet to start a new wallet or simply import wallet if you have one. The Binance Web3 wallet uses MPC, which generates 3 key shares stored in different locations. You will need to now back up your wallet and set a recovery password to protect all these key shares. Once you are backed up and set the recovery password, you can activate the Web3 wallet, making it ready to use. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.